The new weapons channel reports a number of sources that Russian technicians are working on the development of a new generation Sotnik combat kit commissioned by the command of the Russian army. Part of the soldiers' equipment of the future will be exoskeletons, miniature UAVs and robots. The devices will increase the soldier's situational awareness and improve his physical capabilities. The prospective combat kit was named Sotnik. It will make the soldier more resilient and less visible to the enemy. The Army's next-generation outfit will integrate robotic systems, exoskeletons and compact drones, including strike drones. The Sotnik outfit will include combat and special exoskeletons, a robotic complex, as well as reconnaissance and strike drones of mini and small class. Russian servicemen currently use the Ratnik outfit. It includes a single 6B45 general service flak jacket, a 6B47 multi-layer armor suit, upgraded goggles, elbow pads and knee pads, a vest with compartments for ammunition, a 50-liter backpack, a 10-liter backpack, and a multifunction knife. In addition, the Ratnik set includes many additional devices. This is a helmet-mounted monitor, portable communication set, self-contained heat sources, water purification filter, electric light signal lamp, army clock, infantry shovel, headset with active hearing protection system, tent and sleeping bag. The total mass of the standard Ratnik set is 14 kilograms, full 20 kilogram. For unit commanders, there is a small tablet protected against mechanical damages, dust and water. It allows to track the location of all fighters on a satellite map, send text messages, receive photos or video of the object and indicate new targets on the map. The Ratnik carrier is usually armed with the Alaska 12 assault rifle of 5.45 mm caliber, which previously won the Russian Defense Ministry's competition. The new assault rifle is relatively inexpensive due to high, about 54% unification with its predecessor AK-74M. The drones will transmit an image to the visor of a helmet or goggles, on which control commands, terrain maps and other data can also be projected. Weight of Sotnik will tentatively be 20 kilograms. That is more than the standard Ratnik. The combat kit of the new generation will be fitted with a passive exoskeleton, which enables the soldier to carry a load of up to 60 kilograms against its own weight of 6 kilograms, in order to improve the physical capabilities of the soldier. It makes it easier to carry weapons, ammunition and various equipment. In practice, the passive exoskeleton helps troops carry out rigging jobs and endure long marches. However, its disadvantage remains the need to get used to it. The passive exoskeleton, in contrast to the active ones, has no power sources, servo drives, electronics, all sorts of sensors, which makes it more reliable, lightweight, from 4 to 8 kilograms depending on the configuration, completely autonomous and easy to maintain. Such an exoskeleton can be used not only during combat, but also in the rear, for maintenance and repair of equipment, construction and other tasks. A novelty of Sotnik will be an electrically controlled material, electrochrome, which changes the color of the outfit depending on the environment and the camouflaged surface. Also, if necessary, the soldier will be able to use an anti-thermal suit that hides the soldier from the infrared sensors of enemies. Each will have a module to assess the soldier's physical condition, and information about the soldier's wounds and injuries will be received by the commander and the medical team. Strike drones for the new generation of outfit are expected to be operator-controlled kamikaze drones. Such drones will be able to engage enemy manpower, snipers, machine gunners, grenade launchers, and portable missile launcher crews. Earlier Russian industry presented several samples of air branders that can be used both by soldiers and robotic platforms. Supplies of Sotnik outfit to the Army are expected to start in 2025. Recently, the Russian company Rostec demonstrated tests of universal exoskeletons for the Army and industry. We see the movements of a fighter in full equipment and with weapons, as well as cross-country movement, running, squatting, jumping from a place to an elevated platform, as well as getting into a car and climbing stairs. The exoskeleton is concealed under the equipment, does not restrain movements and relieves the musculoskeletal system. Allows to carry combat equipment and weapons weighing up to 60 kilograms, while weighing 6 kilograms itself. It is noted that the joints of the exoskeleton can be blocked for a long stay in one posture. Moreover, the manufacturer reported that in the next 2-3 years, passive exoskeletons for carrying heavy loads without power sources will go into mass production, and within 4 to 6 years, the production of active exoskeletons can begin. And the already developed sample of a power-passive exoskeleton that helps carry weights has been tested under military operating conditions. Presumably, the exoskeleton will be part of the next generation of combat equipment. The new weapons channel reminds us that leading US companies are also working on exoskeletons for the armed forces. Here is one example. It consists of a movable skeleton driven by servos. In the test, a soldier in an exoskeleton effortlessly carried a 50-kilogram howitzer shell up a steep hill, and a woman climbed a ladder to a high tower. The equipment weighs 6.4 kilograms. With a battery that weighs about 3 kilograms, the exoskeleton can run for 8 hours. Everything about the US Air Force's promising B-21 Raider stealth bomber can be seen at the link. See you on the channel.